You ready to go to school? Huh? What does that mean? Huh? You want to get carried down? Do you want to get carried down? All right. Someday you'll be big enough to go down the stairs. Can you hear me? What are you looking at? Now you're all shy? You're not going to cry at all? Huh? That's it?
Let him open the garage.
You're going to school? You're going to school now? Can you open the garage? Push. 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 Okay. Go get the paper. Go get the paper. Get the paper. Paper. Go get the newspaper. It's right there. Newspaper. Come on. Come on. Go. Oh. Oh. Alright. Alright, can you give it to Daddy? Can you give it to Daddy? Huh? Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ready? Watch.
Going to school.
What's this?
Going to school. Bye-bye.
Is it blue?